Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies. And in this video, we are going to discuss the life and ideas of Bertolt Brecht. Introduction. Bertolt Brecht, 1898 to 1956, was a German playwright, poet, director, and theoretician whose influence on 20th century drama was profound. Brecht's career, marked by his political engagement and innovative theatrical techniques, can be divided into four distinct stages: his early creative period, his Lehrstück or learning plays, his exiled years, and his return to Germany, where he established the Berliner Ensemble. This video delves into Brecht's life, influences, major works, and lasting impact on theatre. Early life and influences. Brecht was born in Augsburg and came to age during the tumultuous years of World War I. He studied medicine at the University of Munich, but his traumatic experiences as a hospital orderly during the war led him to adopt pacifism and a nihilistic view of life. Settling in Berlin during the Weimar Republic, Brecht was deeply influenced by Marxism and the theatre. Although he never joined the Communist Party, he was committed to changing the world in line with Marxist principles. His early theatrical work was influenced by Max Reinhardt and Erwin Piscator, who developed the concept of epic drama. Major works and periods. Early plays and operas, 1940 to 1930. During this period, Brecht wrote several plays, poems, short stories, and two operas. His breakthrough came with the Three-Penny Opera in 1928, which offered a cynical view of capitalism. This period set the stage for his future explorations and didactic and epic theatre. Lehrstück or learning plays, 1930 to 1933. Brecht's didactic plays aimed to educate and engage audiences in critical thinking about social issues. Notable works from this period include The Mother and St. John of the Stockyards, both 1932. These plays reflected Brecht's deepening commitment to dialectical materialism and his desire to use theatre as a tool for social change. Exiled years, 1933 to 1948. Censored by the National Socialists, Brecht fled Germany in 1933. During his exile, he moved across Europe and finally settled in the United States in 1941. Major works from this period include The Life of Galileo, The Good Person of Schwestern, and Mother Courage and Her Children. Despite being forced to appear before the House Un-American Activities Committee in 1947, Brecht continued to write influential plays. Return to Germany and the Berliner Ensemble, 1948 to 1956. After returning to East Berlin, Brecht founded the Berliner Ensemble in 1949. He focused on directing and adapting works by Shakespeare, Molière, and others. This period solidified his legacy in theatre with notable productions such as The Caucasian Chalk Circle. Theoretical contributions and epic theatre. Brecht's dissatisfaction with realism, naturalism, and expressionism led him to develop the concept of epic theatre. He believed that traditional theatre's illusionistic techniques prevented audiences from critically engaging with social issues. Instead, Brecht's epic theatre aimed to alienate or estrange the audience, Verfremdungseffekt, to foster critical detachment and reflection. Key concepts and techniques. Alienation effect, making the familiar strange to prompt critical thinking. Social justice, gestures or actions that reveal social attitudes and relationships. Direct address. Actors addressing the audience directly to break the fourth wall. Montage and episodic structure. Non-linear storytelling to prevent emotional immersion. Visible technical elements. Exposing lighting, musicians, and set changes to remind the audience of the theatrical nature of the performance. Impact and legacy. Brecht's influence extended beyond Germany to England, France, and the United States. His techniques have been adopted and adapted by numerous directors, playwrights, and theatre companies worldwide. Brecht's emphasis on theatre as a means of social critique remains relevant, especially in discussions of political and social issues. Conclusion. Bertolt Brecht's revolutionary approach to theatre, characterized by his epic theatre and its didactic purposes, has left an indelible mark on the world of drama. His innovative techniques and commitment to social change continue to inspire and challenge theatre practitioners and audiences alike. Brecht's legacy is a testament to the power of theatre as a tool for critical engagement and societal transformation. So this was the discussion on the life and ideas of Bertolt Brecht. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.